How to create a poll on Fiverr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a poll on Fiverr. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is make sure that you've updated your Fiverr app to its latest version. If you have not, just go to your app store, search for Fiverr, and after you search for Fiverr, there if you see an update option like this, tap on update and update your app. After doing that, you can then open up your Fiverr. And after you open up your Fiverr, just go to a group where you want to create a poll. Now, you can only create a poll on a group. So head over to a group. And after you're there you will see a plus icon on the bottom left corner. Tap on the plus icon. And after you tap on it, you'll see several different options. The one that you need to tap on is poll right here. After you tap on poll, what you can do is ask a question. And after you ask a question, there you can add options. So just add options here. And if you want to add more options, you can tap on these right here. And you can keep on adding options. And after that, tap on the create button right here to create the poll. After you create the poll, you can simply vote for the poll by tapping on this heart icon like this. And that's basically how you can create a poll in Fiverr. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.